Welcome to Research Hub. Hey everyone, are you finding it difficult to create professional-looking academic research diagrams? Visualizing complex research ideas can be really challenging, and using design software often wastes valuable time. But what if you could turn your research into polished, publication-ready diagrams in just minutes? Today, I'm introducing a powerful two-tool workflow that will completely change the way you create research visuals. AnswerThis and Nano Banana. AnswerThis analyzes your research content and generates the ideal diagram structure. Then Nano Banana transforms that structure into a beautiful AI-designed visual. Two tools, one seamless process. Let's jump in and see how this works. First, click the link in the video description to access the official website. Answer AI is a smart platform built specifically for academic research. It searches and retrieves papers and evidence from a massive database of over 300 million academic documents. Let's log in using our account details. Once you're inside, you'll see the main dashboard. Answer AI provides many features such as literature review generation, finding research gaps, data analysis, diagram and visualization creation. It also includes useful tools like Chat with PDF, AI Writer, data extraction, and many more. For today's demo, I'll ask AnswerThis to generate a detailed flowchart explaining the research process. This platform is ideal for this task because it is specifically designed for academic research. Other AI tools may not produce accurate or scholarly outputs, but AnswerThis is built for research needs, so always use AnswerThis for your research-related work. After typing your prompt, press Enter. Within seconds, the AI will produce a complete response. It will explain different research methodologies, and on the right side, you'll notice it references numerous academic sources. In this example, it pulled information from 98 peer-reviewed papers, which you can open with a single click. Once the flowchart is created, we can enhance its visual quality using Google Gemini. Open Gemini and choose Create Image from the Tools menu. Now, ask Gemini to design a detailed flowchart that visually represents the scientific research process. To do this, return to AnswerThis and copy the entire text output. Then paste it inside quotation marks within Gemini's prompt. After selecting your preferences, press Enter. Gemini will process the information and generate a high-quality diagram. Once it's ready, you can copy, share, or download the image instantly. One, define the research question. This step involves clearly identifying the main problem or issue to be studied. A well-defined research question establishes the objectives, scope, and direction of the research. 2. Literature review. In this step, existing research, theories, and scholarly publications related to the topic are reviewed. The purpose is to understand current knowledge, identify gaps, and provide a foundation for the study. 3. Formulate hypothesis. Based on insights from the literature review, specific and testable hypotheses are developed. These hypotheses propose expected relationships between variables and guide the research design. 4. Select methodology. The researcher selects appropriate research methods and techniques that best address the research question. This includes choosing the research design, data collection tools, and procedures. 5. Conduct research. At this stage, data collection and experiments are carried out according to the selected methodology. Data may be gathered through surveys, interviews, observations, or experimental procedures. 6. Analyze data. The collected data is processed, organized, and analyzed using suitable analytical or statistical techniques. This step helps in identifying patterns, relationships, and trends in the data. 7. Draw conclusions. The results of the data analysis are interpreted to determine whether they support or reject the hypotheses. Conclusions are drawn in relation to the research objectives. 8. Decision point. Significant results. The researcher evaluates whether the findings are statistically or practically significant. If the results are not satisfactory, the research approach may be revised and repeated. 9. Write report. All aspects of the research, including methodology, analysis, results, and discussion, are documented in a structured research report. This ensures clarity and transparency of the research process. 10. Peer review. The research report is submitted for evaluation by subject experts. Peer review ensures the quality, credibility, and validity of the research. 11. Publish and disseminate. The final step involves sharing the research findings with the academic and professional community. This may include publishing in journals, presenting at conferences, or other forms of dissemination. Conclusion. The diagram illustrates scientific research as a systematic, logical, and iterative process where each step builds upon the previous one to produce reliable and meaningful results. So this is a complete research process diagram created using AnswerThis AI for the content and Google Gemini for the visualization. By using the same method, you can generate diagrams for any research topic quickly and efficiently. This workflow is the fastest and most effective way to create research visuals. Start creating your research diagrams today. The link is available in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more research-related tutorials.